Today Pellegrini was doing some comments about the money we spent, and I think he's a fantastic coach, and I respect that a lot. And in the top of that, outside his football career, he's an engineer by academic formation, and I don't think an engineer needs a calculator to do Matas 37, more or less, and De Bruyne 18 is 55. Matic is 21, and Salah is 11, is 32. 55 minus 32 is 23. So Chelsea in this transfer window, I'm speaking roughly, 23 million pounds plus. It's easy to understand that this is to work with the fair play, the financial fair play, what I call the fair financial fair play. So there are no arguments against that.